Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking resolution and monitor size, so scaling changes make sense. This prevents blurry text. Once done, plug in the best cable, DisplayPort or HDMI, for full bandwidth and make sure drivers are current. Open your system display settings or the app you want to enlarge, because changing scale here affects apps versus browser zoom. Now set an initial scale, like 125% or 150%, to test readability. Adjust until UI elements look balanced and spacing feels natural. You now fine-tune system and application settings to get consistent results. Change OS scaling in increments, 100% to 150%, so icons and menus grow without breaking layout. This is why gradual steps matter. For apps or browsers, use built-in zoom controls or font size options to compensate for any mismatches. If things still look cramped, lower resolution slightly or increase font DPI. It trades some sharpness for readability. Make sure to log out or restart if prompted, because some apps need a relaunch to apply changes. You finish by verifying that text, icons, and videos are clear at your chosen size. Scan multiple apps to ensure consistency. If blurriness or overlapping UI appears, revert to the previous scale and try an alternative approach. App zoom versus system scaling, because different programs handle scaling differently. As a key troubleshooting tip, update GPU drivers or connect an external monitor to isolate hardware limits. This often resolves fuzzy scaling issues. Finally, save your preferred layout and enjoy the larger, more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.